How to fix the Roblox application encountered an unrecoverable error. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having this trouble on your Roblox application, here is some ways that you can fix it. First of all, check for your internet connection. Once you have confirmed it, long press your Roblox app and go to app info. Then after head over to storage and cache and then clear the cache and clear the storage. Once this is done, close all the background applications that you have turned on and reboot your device. After that, head over to Play Store and then search for Roblox application. After that, tap on the update button if it's available. However, even after updating it does not work, you might have to uninstall and reinstall the Roblox application. Sometimes the issue could also be from the server end. In that case, check for the server status of Roblox. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.